What is up, everyone? It is time yet for another episode of the Let's Talk Stocks show. You know how we do. Usually I'm up and screaming and whatnot, but, people sleep. So I'm just going to, be casual, be cool, kind of like I got some, Ain't that right, life like I? Anyway, let's talk about the market today, man. So, all right, today's a big day, all right? If you watching me, you watching stocks, and today's a big day with the whole Fed thing, and I think the market is going to move one way or the other pretty hard today. I don't know if it's going to be like, let's say if it moves up, does it continue to move up forever? If it moves down, does it continue to go down forever? I don't know, but we're going to see some big movements today because the Fed's going to say maybe, when interest rates are, if he's going to lower rates, how much, and how long he's going to be on pause or patient, right? I think that's the key word they're looking for is patient. So I got a chart of the Qs, and usually I'm a bullish guy, man, and that's why I missed this last run because I'm just bullish, and lately I've been bearish. And so here's a monthly chart. I got the Qs up, okay, and I'm using the Qs because this is what's been ripping, all right? This is what's been holding up the market for the most part. Tech has been just on a roll, until recently. So anyway, here's the monthly chart starting at 2008. That's where my trend line is going to draw. And if you look at the lower trend line, there's the primary trend line, right? If you look in here from where we're at, this is a long way down, just to reach this primary trend line. You don't want to be in the market when it does that. If it wants to go back down there, no. All right, so let's look at this trend line, the next one. And I'm going to zoom in on these now, okay? Now that you see the big picture. Okay, here is the secondary trend line, all right? And it's been following that pretty good. Look, 1 hit, 2, 3, 4 hits. And you can see how far above we are on that one. I mean, that will bring the Qs down from where it is today, 186, to 156. That's huge. It's a huge drop. Let's see if I can measure that. Every time I do a measurement, I'm always too high off the screen. I don't know. It's 16% lower. All right, so let's look at this top trend line. This is let's call it the tertiary trend line, right? And it's got several, it's been riding this thing pretty damn good. Yeah, it's right here, right there. That's October, right? That's when the market started crashing last year. And it broke trend, and it hit that secondary trend line, which is, that's good. And it bounced off of it. So, the secondary trend line is intact, but this primary one, or I should say this tertiary one, is not. And right now it's pinning on the backside of the trend line, and we got big news coming out. Is it going to blow through this and make this tertiary trend line, keep it intact? Or is it going to come back and hit the secondary trend line? Or is it the start to where we just go back down to the primary trend line? Because that's the real trend line. It is. I think we're spoiled. The market, for some reason in 2014, 15, just decided to take off. And that's not normal. No. It's just been good times. But not really. It's weird I say that because not really. It's just, the helicopter money. Everybody was easing and money was easy. So it's critical right now as far as today. Today could put all of this stuff in motion. Because we're on the backside of that trend line. So generally we come up, we might hit it and go down. We might go through it, You don't know. But we do know today is going to be big movement. The Dow is right now is up 38 and S&P is down 4. Kind of mixed, but it's mellow. So the word comes out about 2 o'clock. and just keep an eye on it. I wouldn't make any trades. Let it decide what it's going to do. It's going to be whipping up and down, up and down. So that's what's going to go on. Hi. So my daughter is just waking up. I'm making a video. You want to be in it? Okay. So yeah, there we go. So I'll go ahead and end this video and just keep an eye out, man. Just keep in mind that this one is the real trend line, secondary, tertiary. Is it gonna start something like this? Whatever, quadrilateral, something. I don't know what the word is, but it might hold that tertiary line. But I don't know, man. This is why I feel I'm bearish, and why I'm missing some bullish trends, because I just got this in the back of my mind. Not trading what it looks like, because if I go to the weekly, and I did this before, I did this the other day. And I was talking about this bar right here and how strong that bar was, and I really should have been in it, but I was just thinking, oh man, no. So, but overall, when you pull out the monthlies, it's more steady. No whipsaw action in the monthlies. Okay, if it whipsaws, that's huge. It's like huge daily and weekly action. So pull out the monthlies, kind of keep a big perspective of the market, and decide, you can see a little clearer what it's gonna do. It just takes time for it to play out. So maybe this is the day something plays out with the movement. So all right, I hope you watch like this video. Click the like button, or like, unlike, whatever. Participate, comments below, and check me out tomorrow. Hopefully I'll be on. Thanks for watching. This is Dre. This is Let's Talk Stocks. I'm out. Hit the button. This was a short video today. Thanks for watching, everyone. Bye.